How to make money with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make money with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. If you're looking for a way to monetize your presence on Pinterest and earn passive income, affiliate marketing is an excellent option. With its visual nature and large user base, Pinterest offers great potential for driving traffic and generating sales through affiliate links. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of making money with affiliate marketing on Pinterest and give you some tips and tricks on how to do it properly with Pinterest. So, by following the strategies and tips in this tutorial, you can start earning commissions and passive income by leveraging the power of affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So, let's get started. Now, when people do affiliate marketing, what they would usually do is post an image or simply post a video on how to use the product or what the product is for, and then simply add the affiliate link on their description. That is the easy way and what most people would do when using affiliate marketing with Pinterest. Now, I will be teaching you a method or a different way to approach affiliate marketing that I think is also very effective and could drive more sales than the traditional posting of photos or videos in Pinterest. Now, the way or the method that I'm going to teach you today on how to make effective affiliate marketing is by creating a blog instead. Instead of posting a photo over here of a product by making it very visually attractive or by creating a very attractive advertisement poster of a specific product or creating a video, anything like that, the blog will prove to be more effective. What the blog will contain is what your product is about. You're going to explain to them, or rather explain what your experiences are with the product. You're not going to convince them to buy it. You're simply going to give your review. You're going to give your insight on how your experience of using the product is, and that's what you're going to do. For example, we have this blog over here. This is one of the blogs that I found in Pinterest, and you can see here like description of how the product feels like any review or any experience they have. They are putting it here with different photos. As you can see here, you can create your photos and use Canva, for example, a very great platform to create photos over here, photo designs, and then you could make every mention of the product, for example this one, an affiliate link. You can simply attach or use this specific text as an affiliate link for the specific product that you are talking about. For example, here, Disciple Skincare. If you want to see Disciple Skincare, you would simply click on the link or the specific text, and then they would be redirected to the page of the specific product. You are going to do this to every time the product name is mentioned on your blog. You're simply going to create a blog that explains how dealing or how using this product is for you, and using every single word or every single time you mention the product as an affiliate link. This is a better way to promote your affiliate product instead of simply uploading a video, a very simple video or a photo. You can simply create a very detailed blog over here. You could use any platform or website builder out there that supports creating a blog. It is very easy to create a blog. You don't need to create or buy your own domain. Simply look for a very easy to use blog creator, for example Wix.com or any blog creator website out there, and then you can simply attach your blog link to whatever post that you have. For example, this one, you're simply going to attach it to your description, wherein you will be able to click and then they would be redirected to your blog over here. Now, the purpose of having the affiliate link to be attached to every time or every name of the product in your blog is so that you can ensure that people know where to go, because some people are very easy to convince, so they wouldn't need to read the entire blog that you have created, and they would be convinced to look through and go and look at your product immediately. But some people are also very hard to convince, and they would prefer to read the entire blog and make sure that the blog they're reading are going to help them make their decision. And sometimes they would need to go until to the bottom of the blog before they decide, and then you can simply have your links everywhere so that at any point of reading the blog, they will be able to go directly to the specific product that you are promoting, and it is a very good way to attract customers. Now, although using the strategy of posting an advertisement for a product like creating a video, I think this is a more effective way, or rather, uh, another way to promote your affiliate program uniquely instead of simply having a video over here. Now, for example, we're going to search for blog product over here, and let's see different examples that we have. As you can see here, we have different ways on how they are promoting their product over here. As you can see here, how to sell ebooks and stuff like that. You can simply create your amazing photo without having to be a professional by using Canva. Canva has hundreds of different elements that you could use and combine together to create amazing results. And for example, you're promoting a product about a makeup. For example, this one. You can simply go to Canva, build together a very simple Pinterest post about the product. You're not going to add too much information. You're simply going to put the product and like have a title, or put the title of your blog over here. And then you're going to attach it to your pin or your description. For example, we could go here, create a pin over here, just like this, create new. You can simply upload your images over here. For example, this one, we're going to upload a random photo for now. And then you could add your title over here, the title of your blog page, and then simply the link of your description in this section. You can also add supplies over here if you would like. You could add them over here, depending on how you would like to build your description. Now, this will be a better way to start promoting a product in affiliate marketing instead of just simply posting a photo or like a video, because sometimes, yes, videos can be entertaining and it might attract some people. Being able to read a blog that contains your reviews and insights in many details that you wouldn't be able to fit in a simple video would be very more attractive, or would help convince a lot more people than simply having a simple video to promote a photo. Similarly in TikTok. So that is one of my strategies, or one of my suggestions on how to effectively use affiliate marketing with Pinterest. Now, of course, everyone knows that in affiliate marketing, you can't simply try and sell a product without it being in demand, because if it's not in demand, it's not going to sell. So be careful when choosing your product. Have some research, look for products that are trending or are in demand, and stick with those. Don't try and promote products that are not in demand, because you're going to have a hard time getting some sales with those type of product. My strategies are just one of many. You don't have to follow my strategies, but just like I said earlier, it is one of the most effective ways that I can observe or see people are using the most. Others, aside from using videos and photos in Pinterest directly, you could do the blog strategy that I have promoted, or I have strategized over here by following the steps that we have done in today's video. You can use any platform that you want to create your blog. I am not going to suggest any platform for now, but it is completely up to you. There are a lot of platforms out there that would allow you to create a very easy website or even a blog that would allow you to create your very own experience blog over here, as you can see here as an example. It is completely up to you on how you would like to proceed. I have talked about how you should have as a flow, like your experience, what the product is, and all of those stuff. And you could use Canva as one of your platforms to help you create an amazing, attractive post for your Pinterest that could possibly attract your customers or your users to check out the product that you are trying to promote. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.